Ahoy hoy, Gavin here from Sad Fernando Guitars. One of the things I like doing, apart from making guitars, is resurrecting old classics, perhaps forgotten classics. I went down to a local charity shop where I sometimes find some nice guitars, and they said, "Gavin, what's this we've got?" And I had to admit I didn't know, but after a bit of research I found out. So we're just going to do a quick video about resurrecting this wonderful but slightly grubby at the moment bass guitar. Now, if you haven't heard of that name, Seiwa, I'm not surprised, neither had I. Bit of research into it, and including especially that nameplate there, which says made in Japan. That already gets my spider senses tingling. These were made by Ibanez, or Ibanez, in Japan, as an affordable line. You can see that it's got a single ply scratch plate, it's just got the one pickup, it's got uncoated brass bridge, which I'll give a little bit of a polish and clean. It's got very simple controls, volume, tone. However, this is in, apart from the dust and a little bit of grime, superb condition, and I will give it a full setup. So if you want to see what I'm going to do to it to make it nicer, watch now. Ahoy hoy, back in the room, Gavin here. Right, here we are with the Seiwa bass. I've given it a bit of a clean up and, as the repair shop would say, rejuvenated it, revitalised it, brought it back to life, and I can say that's rather lovely. Solid maple neck, maple fretboard. I'll look up what timber it is and it'll be underneath. It's I think a 34¼ inch length P-bass style, brass bridge, not treated, which, you know, might have saved them a couple of cents at the time, but it means that it's tarnished, and the same with the galvanised bridge. For a bass of this age, that's hardly surprising. Single ply scratch plate, rather good pickups actually. I rather like it. Japanese made, so the action's pretty low, there's no twist on the neck or anything. It's got a few dings on it, as is suitable of something of this age, but the neck's almost perfect. Not much there at all. I think that's a rather superb maple necked maple fretboard, beautiful bass in a rather fetching blue, and I'll even throw a plectrum in with it. So, as one of Gavin's grotty guitars, it's not so grotty anymore. Wasn't that 9 Inch Nails song? Anyway, it's up for sale. It'll be on either Reverb or eBay. Have a look underneath. All the money isn't going to me, it's going to charity, it's going to the local hospice, as it should, because that's where this has come from. Until next time, toodle pip.